Hi, welcome to my channel Super Night and Chemistry. This is my second video. Here we discuss valence shell, valence electrons, and valency. Valence shell. The outermost shell of an atom is known as a valence shell or valence orbit. What are valence electrons? The electrons present in the valence shell of an atom are called valence electrons. Those electrons present in valence shell or valence orbit we call valence electrons. So the number of valence electrons varies from 1 to 8. The valence electrons of an atom determine the valency of that element. These are the important informations. Valence electrons present in valence shell from 1 to 8, and these electrons determine the valency of that element. Now, what is valency? Valency is the combining capacity of an atom of an element with the atoms of other elements to form molecules. Simply, combining capacity of an atom is called its valency. To understand more about valency, you also know why do atoms combine to form molecules. Atoms combine to form molecules in order to attain chemical stability. So during chemical reactions, these atoms combine with other atoms or molecules or compounds to form various products, so it become more stable. That's the cause of chemical reaction. How do atoms combine? Atoms combine with one another according to their combining capacity known as valency. So here atoms may lose or accept electrons. That's what we call combining capacity, the term valency. Combining capacity of an atom is called its valency. In this regard, you also know what is octet rule. For an atom to achieve stable electronic configuration, it must have first 2 electrons in the first shell or outermost shell, like that of noble gas helium. We call it as a duplet. You know that the first shell can accommodate only 2 electrons. If the first shell is completed by 2 electrons, we call that is a duplet. Second rule, 8 electrons in the outermost shell, like that of noble gas other than helium. Helium only duplet in nature is possible. All other elements 8 electrons. That what we call octet rule. So these two important rules, one duplet nature, another one octet nature. Atoms tend to achieve stable electronic configuration by having 8 electrons in their outermost shell, like that of noble gases other than helium. Already I mentioned for helium it is a duplet nature. Other than helium we call it is octet nature. That is what we call octet rule. Is very important. When the outermost shell completely filled by 8, then we call it is octet nature or octet configuration. Examples: hydrogen, atomic number 1, only 1 electron in K shell, so valency 1, valence electron 1. Helium, atomic number 2, 2 electrons in K shell, valence electrons 2, valency 0. It's a noble gas. It neither accepts electron nor loses electron, so valency 0. Lithium 3, 2, 1, valency is equal to valence electron is equal to 1. Sodium 11, 281, valency is equal to valence electron is equal to 1. Here you note lithium and sodium valency 1, valence electron also 1, because in order to attain noble gas configuration, Sodium loses 1 electron, becomes 2,8 configuration. Lithium loses 1 electron in order to attain duplet nature. Therefore, both can lose only 1 electron to attain stable configuration. So, the valency 1. In case of nitrogen, atomic number is 7 to 5 configuration, valence electrons 5. Now, valency is equal to 3. How you got 3? 8 minus 5. Why 8? To attain stable configuration, nitrogen accepts 3 electron. So, you can easily calculate it. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. It cannot lose 5 electrons to attain stable configuration. So, it accepts 3 electrons. So, the valency 3. Nitrogen accepts 3 electrons to attain stable configuration. Similarly, chlorine 17 to 8 7 cannot lose 7 electrons to attain stable configuration. So, valence electron 7, valency 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. A neon 2,8 configuration, valence electrons 8, valence is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So, in general, valence electrons is equal to 1 to 4, that is also is equal to valency. If valence electrons 5 to 8, you can easily calculate the valency 8 minus valence electrons. And also you can note that valence electrons especially 1 to 3, they are metals, and valence electrons 5 to 8 means they are non-metals. So here you can easily calculate the valency by knowing valence electrons. So valence electrons 1 to 4 is equal to valency. Valence electrons 5 to 8 means valency is equal to 8 minus valence electrons.